Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to place for tech tutorials. Today I will guide you through a quick trick on how to zoom out in Gmail. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Make sure you are logged into your Gmail account. Once you are in your inbox, you might notice that the text or icons are too large, making it hard to navigate or view all your emails at once. That's where zooming out comes in handy. To zoom out, simply hold down the Control key in your keyboard or CMD key if you are using Mac, and simultaneously press the minus key. Each time you press the minus key while holding down Control or CMD, the page will zoom out, making the text and icons smaller. Continue zooming out until the text and icons are comfortable size for you. This will give you a broader view of the inbox and make it easier to navigate. If you ever need to zoom back in, simply hold Ctrl or CMD and press plus key. And that's it, a quick and simple way to adjust the zoom level in Gmail to suit your preferences. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Adjusting the zoom level in Gmail can improve your overall experience and productivity. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.